Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make Christmas theme project file decoration. First, with using a chart paper, I will cover the file. Now I am taking a decoration tape and stick it to give it a different look. Now I am taking another white paper and make round shape and cut it. Then taking A4 size red color paper and cut it as Santa's hat. Now I will stick Santa face and hat, then draw face and small detailing. Keep watching. Now I am taking acrylic colors and paint Santa's face, then using sketch pens to color nose, eyes and mouth. Here I am taking cotton and make round shape using my palm. Then I am using cotton and shape it as Santa's mustak. Then stick it. See how I am doing it? Santa is ready. Now I am taking green glittery paper and will cut it after draw some tree shape, and for twigs I am using brown glittery paper. Now it's taking time. Then I am using black sketch pen and draw some lines, then we'll take some stars and stick it. Keep watching. Then just write your name on cover and it's done. Tell me in the comment section if you like my easy Christmas theme cover file decoration idea, and do like, share, and if you are a new viewer to my channel then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.